During blackouts, we use these lamps to provide heat. Very simple techniques, but they work. They work for us. Yeah. This is Mkulima Shop. In case you need our services, call us on 0704 441 628. We're the leading distributors of improved kienyeji birds in East Africa, and we promise to work with you in your poultry farming journey. So I can take you to our packing room. Yeah. Even before we reach our packing room, on this other side we also have our brooders. We are preparing. Yeah. Focus here. Focus here. Yeah. This brooder is under preparation. We are going to place 1,000 birds here today. These are our 2.5 weeks old birds in this brooder, and on the other side we have 3 weeks old birds on the other side. So preparations are ongoing. Upper kazi too. So we have another brooder we are preparing here. This is a big one. It has a capacity of 2,500 birds. So preparations are ongoing. Tumeweka plywood pale chini. Tunahakikisha kwamba brooder itakuwa sawa, kisha tuweke ndege wetu pale. So on the other side we are doing construction. We are doing a construction for layers birds on the upper side, na chini tunaweka mbuzi. So it's almost 90% complete. The next 1 week it will be stocked. So this is our packing room. This is our packing room. Yeah. What you see, I want you to see what we have. These are 1 day old. For instance, these are Kendro, 1 day old. Very healthy, very smart birds. Mkulima Shop, client mbele. Give us a call on 0704 441 628 na tutakusaidia katika safari yako ya ukulima. Client mbele. Thank you.